Today we're going to look at the difference between changes in quantity supplied and changes in supply. In this video, we are going to use our examples in the market for apples, which we can see on the left-hand side of the screen. First, let's start with changes in quantity supplied. So, as the price of apples increases from PA to PB, the quantity supplied of apples also increases from QA to QB. This is also represented as the movement along the same supply curve of S0 from point A to point B. In the opposite case, when the price of apples decreases from PA to PC, the quantity supplied of apples also decreases from QA to QC. Again, this is also represented by a movement along the same supply curve of S0. This is the movement from point A to point C on the supply curve of S0. Now we're going to take a look at changes in supply. So here's the first example. A more efficient technology will increase the supply of apples. Thus, the supply curve of apples shifts to the right. This is represented by S0 to S1 in our example on the left. Notice, as the supply curve shifts to the right or outward, this represents an increase in supply. And let's look at the final case. As the price of inputs, for example, increases, the supply of apples decreases. To represent this decrease in supply, the supply curve for apples will shift to the left. This is represented in our example as the shift from S0 to S2. In other words, when the price of apples changes, we are simply moving along our existing supply curve. But if external factors change our supply, we will shift the entire curve, either outward or to the right, to represent an increase, or inward or to the left, to represent a decrease.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.